Hi, I'm Liz Sneddon. We're having a look at our school exam 2019 and here is question 3E part 1. So here's the question. Blake's family use crunchy and smooth peanut butter in equal amounts. However, they never use smooth peanut butter on toast with no margarine. Okay, so we've got to extend our table. It's the first thought that comes to mind. Is I'm going to start with peanut butter. I've got one peanut butter here and I've got one peanut butter here, and I need to add more branches on. Okay, now we're told that they use crunchy, they do only use smooth, that they never use smooth on toast with no margarine. So I'm just going to have the bottom one here with no margarine. That's only going to be the crunchy one, okay, because it doesn't have smooth. However, if they have got margarine, they could have both crunchy and smooth peanut butter. Okay, now here is the tricky part, and this is a very difficult question, I know. We need to find, they talk about using them, the crunchy and smooth in equal amounts. So I need to first of all find out how much they use peanut butter, and then I need to divide that into 2. So once I know the probability of peanut butter, I can say, right, from that half is crunchy, half is smooth, and then I can try and work this out. So that's where I want to start. So I'm going to start with the probability of peanut butter, and I'm going to go back to the original amount. So if I just take my 0.72 times 2/3, and I'm going to add on my 0.28 times 0.22, then that gives me a probability of 0.05416. So that's going to be all the probabilities together for peanut butter. And now we're told that this crunchy and smooth is used in equal amounts. So I want to find half of this. So half of the probability of peanut butter, so that's half of 0.5416, that is a value of 0.2708. So that means crunchy is being used 0.2708, and the probability of smooth is 0.2708. They are equal amounts. So I need to now work out the table. With not having any margarine and only being able to do crunchy, that means the probability of that must be 1. Okay, that's got to be added up exactly. So that one is fine. Now I've got to split these other ones. So I know the probability is smooth, so this is the only time that they could have smooth. So that probability must be 0.2708. So that's going to be that total probability here is 0.2708. And now I need to work out what this crunchy here is going to be. So I know that the no margarine and crunchy, just go over here, probability of no margarine and crunchy, no margarine, peanut butter, crunchy, that probability is 0.28 times 0.22 times 1. So then that gives us a probability of 0.0616. So if I know the probability of crunchy is equal to 0.2708, then that's also equal to the probability of having margarine and crunchy plus the probability of no margarine and crunchy. So I don't know what this one is. Okay, that's the one I don't know, but I do know the whole probability is 0.2708, and I know that this part of none with crunchy that is 0.0616. So the probability of margarine and crunchy peanut butter is going to be 0.2708 take away 0.0616, and that will give you a value of 0.2092. So that here is 0.2092. That's our probability. And the question itself says what proportion of toast has margarine and crunchy peanut butter? Well, that's the answer we're looking for there. So if you are able to get to this value of 0.2708, then that gets you through to the merit level. If you're able to go on and find the crunchy peanut butter here with margarine, then that would get you through to the excellence level.